Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're back on the 46 and we're going to continue to prep the interior for paint. So let me flip this around. So we're just going to be going through and cleaning this up and grinding, sanding, doing what we need to do and seeing if we have anything else like this here. These popped in once I hit it with the wire wheel, so we're going to go ahead and prep all that and get this thing prepped up and ready for some primer. So according to my last video, y'all like the cutscene video instead of the time lapse, so I'll just be doing little updates here and there. Or if I see something that I want to point out like that, meow, then we'll go ahead and do that. So anyway, let's get into this. Yeah, and here's yet another prime example of why we're doing what we're doing. This whole area looked pretty decent, but as soon as I hit it with the wire wheel, it started popping a few holes. So we'll go ahead and I have a copper plate. I'll rosette those holes shut and remediate them before we treat for rust, so the floor is 100%. So, oh, and I don't know, let me go around. I don't know what it is about this crap. I'm scraping off this tar stuff. Love the smell of this stuff. It is so nostalgic, which is really weird because I did not grow up as a car guy. My dad was like the anti-mechanic. I mean, I have no idea where I got it from, but I absolutely love old cars. And that smell, oh, they need to make an air freshener out of that. You know, like old car smell. Yeah, I'd buy it. Anyway, we're gonna keep going. We're hitting it with the big DA. I have a little 3-inch DA and a wire wheel, so we're just prepping all that, getting most of the bulk of the rust off and popping any holes that we can fix. So yeah, let's keep going. All right, so we have most of this back area taken care of. I went ahead and I patched all those holes, patched all these holes, ground them flush. I went ahead and finished off I had done this thing in a previous video. I hammered it out and English wheeled it and then fit it, and I welded it from underneath. Well, there was some little sticker outers on the inside, and I cleaned all that up. So we're almost 100% on this trunk area. A little bit more prep and we can go ahead and treat the rust and then prime it. But I'll be doing all of it. I'm just focusing on this right now. But we're done with this for right now. Hang on. So that's all we have for right now. If you like this content, please leave a like and subscribe. I don't know where they're at. Anyway, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and we'll see you next time. See ya.